How are y'all? Hi guys, we're already here at Cebu. Andito kami ngayon sa Cebu. Bakit ba pinapahirapan ko sarili ko? Hello my kitty space, my sister, my pusang pangkalawakan na kapatid. Ikaw ay nanonood, you're watching today. You're my sister, I love you so much. Ikaw ang ate ko, gago ka. Maraming salamat sa pagpadala ng mga pusong ina. Thank you so much for sending me all the love. Mm. How are you? Kamusta ka? Ah. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. I'm doing amazing. You know, the whens, the but, the if. No buts, no ifs. I'm doing good. What about you? Ano? Ano nangyari na sa'yo? Cha! Hi guys, so nandito ako ngayon sa Cebu and mag mag-attend kami ng Bicon. Mag-aayos lang ako ngayon, may hinihintay lang ako. In English, just translate it. Can't wait to see you swallow contacts again. Is that the only thing you're looking forward for? Me putting something in my mouth? Oh my god, I can do a lot more than that. I can put something in my nose. Cha! Arizona pa follow back please. Bakit? Char lang. Yes, oy sa Bicon pala. Ito, sabi ni Jed, can't wait to see you in Bicon here. Yes, bukas pa ako magkaka-public appearance sa Bicon. Meron kaming meet and greet ng 4 p.m. And then, I'll be at my booth ng 5 p.m. hanggang siguro mga 6. And then, I'll be performing at 9 p.m. Can you swallow your vape? No, I can only swallow my pride. Pakisabi, I love you, Denzel. Mahal kita, Denzel. Okay na? Some, David Licauco. Licauco. Yung mga rumor na yan, bala kayo dyan. Basta ako mag-enjoy lang akong panoorin siya. Ganon! Hey, ito si Elisa. Sa Cebu ka ba ngayon, Riz? Ay, hindi pala. Taga Pampanga pala to, pota. Ano ba? Puro, ayun na lang ba? Puro ba tayo contact lens? Wala ba tayong pwedeng ibang gawin? Bukod, ano, ulitin ko na naman. Tapos pag inulit ko, sasabihin nyo pa ulit-ulit. Cha! In English, you make me mad. I'm so furious. Mama, sarap ba si Ivory Glaze? She's my sister, so, you know, I love her. She's my sister. Maayong pag-abot Arizona pre-game na this. Kaya nga, alam nyo, gusto ko uminom. As in, ang tagal ko nang hindi umiinom and sobrang busy. Walang hingahan yung mga nangyayari. The best yung interview mo, Ari. Thank you! Ay, thank you, Ange. Ange, pahingang 500 kung nag-enjoy ka. Wig naman. Just wait and see. You're right. Dahil dyan, dan kita Gcash. Thank you. Oy, alam nyo ba, nung isang araw, may tumatawag sa akin, yung in-announce na kami as cast. Meron tumatawag sa number ko. You know what? On the other day, there's someone calling me and calling you, like, hello, spamming my phone number on the day of the announcement of Station Royale. Tapos, Akala ko nung una kasi may mga dinideliver sa akin. I thought at first there's gonna be a delivery. Shopee, Shopee. So I answered, so sinagot ko yung tawag. So I answered the call. And then, it's just a few people just shouting and, ay, Arizona, Genesis. Ano ba yan? Siyempre, binibigay namin, we give our numbers, our GCash numbers, sa mga show para bigyan nyo ng tip. Pero hindi para spam nyo ng tawag. Ilang number ang tumawag sa akin. Tapos, binababa. Tapos, tatawagan lang ulit ako. Like, oh my God. Hindi siya magandang behavior. So, binlock ko na lang. Wala lang, na-share ko lang. Pwede ba kayo bumati sa Instagram, babasahin ko naman yan lahat eventually. Pero ngayon, hindi ko lang siya mabasa lahat. Mother, how much yung bili ng hotel? Yes, binili namin tong buong hotel na to. Like, I bought all of this. Like, the whole building, I bought it. Bumili, actually mahal na yung merch ko. Starting today, 2,000 na siya dito sa Cebu. Kasi hindi nyo naman binili sa iba, yung sa dates. Bala kayo. Hindi, ganun pa rin 1-2. 1-2 pa rin yung merch ko. Pero, onti na lang tong natitira here. Parang, ang pinagawa ko lang dito sa Cebu is parang 30. 30 na shirt. Tapos, after pala nito sa Cebu, maging available lang yung shirts ko hanggang Wednesday next week. Tapos, hindi na siya magiging available after. So, kung gusto nyo humabol sa shirts. Madam, reply ka naman sa Grindr. Aba, I'm not on Grindr. Pwede 200 na lang. Grabe naman yung 200, be. Mag-ukay ka na lang para 4 na t-shirt. You just shovel so that you can buy 4. Also, limited edition pala, yes. So, as of now, we've already sold a total of parang 70 shirts. Tapos, ngayon, parang nagpa-30 ako. So, 100. Pero, pwede pa naman kayo umorder. Hanggang Wednesday pa naman. Hoy, wag nyo siya. Okay. Ganyan naman mga tao, gusto nila ng babastos ng mga ano nila, ng mga idol nila. Gusto nila ganyan. That's how people work. They want to manipulate. They want to manipulate their idols. So they get noticed. Kasama signature, of course, sabihin mo lang kung gusto mong pirmahan ko. May signature po ba? Yes, the signature of Arizona Brandy is like the color orange, vaping. That's the signature of me. Yes, it includes the signature of Arizona. Me, pwede pa ship Dubai? Yes, we do international shipping. Pero if gusto niyo ng international shipping, i-PM niyo at Arizona Branded. Tapor? Ano ba yung tapor? Hindi ko O si Ira, taga Cebu to. Want ko bili ng merch. Bumili ka na, Kino. Wag kang tanga. May kasamang buga yung shirt pagdating. Sorry, mabango yung shirt. Kasi gusto ko, kung ano ako, that ganun din yung shirt. So, maoy. Maoy din yung shirt. Tapos wag kayo masyadong nagmamarunong sa sa mga comment. Pinagalitan no, nag-live para pagalitan. Support yung mga love nyo, ganun-ganon, without spoiling. Kasi hindi naman mamaya, hindi naman pala tama yung spoilers nyo, tapos napahiya lang kayo. Tapos parang, inaalis nyo yung fun. Duh! Buti na lang nawala na sakit ko. Tanya, patayin mo yung music, makaka-copyright ako. Tanya, turn off the music, I'll copyright. Tanya, are you listening? Ganon. Turn off the music, it will copyright. Kokopyahin ang aking mga sulat. Galing ng vape tricks. Yes. O sige na. Tinamad na ako. Yung ako na pala makipag-usap. Auto translation. Papadala ako ng box dyan, papasabay ka. Wala. Ano, Paolo, bigyan mo na lang ako ng pera para natutuwa ako. Bigyan mo ng 5,000, Paolo. Meron kasing pasabog na mall dito eh. Gusto ko bumili ng bag. Sige na, pingin ng 5K, pandagdag lang. Yes, Tanya. Si Tanya po ang aking payong. Si Tanya po ang aking, ano bang ano ng assistant? As, puwet, sis, kapatid, puwet, tant. Puwet, kapatid, langgam. Puwet, kapatid, langgam. Anong episode namin sisimulan mambashma? Ikaw bahala. Parang, depende naman yan sa'yo. Kasi buhay mo naman yan. Pero kung nambash ka ng iba, block na lang kita. Unfollow mo ko. Ganon. Kasi ayoko ng ganong tao. Pa-translate po ako nito. Nakauwi na ako galing school. Okay, in English. Naka, in English, is daughter. Uwi. Daughter goes home. Nako is parang, damn. Daughter goes home, damn, from school. Kaso English na yung school. So, dapat mas lalalim pa yung English niyan. So, yung school ngayon magiging academe. Okay? So, daughter goes home, damn, from academe. Okay? So, ayun. Dito naman. Can you translate this into English? Pitong puting tupa. Wow, that is so challenging. Okay, pitong, whistle. Okay? Whistle, put, 7, white, tupa is sheep. Whistle inside the 7 white sheep. Kaso kapag marami ang sheep, kasi 7 sila, ang plural po ng sheep is shop. Okay? So, whistle put inside the 7 shop. Mine bathroom. Minikaniko ni Monica ang minikaniko ni Monica ang mekaniko ni Monica. In English, Peter Piper, pick up pepper. Sayang wala ako. Oo nga, Lexi. So that's the English of minikaniko ni Monica is Peter Piper, pick a peck of pickled pepper. Tapos meron pa, di ba? Minikaniko ni Monica ang makina ng minika ni Monica. Ang English naman yan is Peter Piper, pick a peck of pickled pepper. Peter Piper, pick a peck of pickled pepper. Who pick a peck of pickled pepper? That Peter Piper pick. My Phil am French dog queen. Ikaw ang aso. Hindi ako French dog. Shitbull ako. Ito pa, in English, yes, galing, paturo po. Wow, amazing. Teach me how to doggy. Anong English ng para na ginagamit pag para na ginagamit pag pinipigilan yung jeepma? The English of that is, you never mind. Sige, tawagan mo ako mamaya. If I call you, are you gonna send me 5K? Tahol ka naman, me. Yes, guys, ang minimum na po ng tip ko ngayon, the minimum of my tip is, of course, your love and support. Kinilig. That's the minimum you can give. I will appreciate it. Talaga. In Tagalog, wag kayong barat. Paki-translate po, sayang naman. In English, too bad, damn it. Ha, kainis. Nakakasasabi ka magbisaya ka, diri, saba ka diri, syagit o gusog. Kanang Bisaya si Arizona, kanang dito si Arizona to perform. Ito pala yung hindi nagbabasa ng GMA. Oh, this is the one who's not reading Kapuso. Cha! Ma, hindi ka po ba tumatanggap ng 1 dirham? No, I don't give the dirham. Why are you giving me ham? I'm not hungry. You're giving me 1 ham, 1 dirham. I don't like dirham. I want the ham. I want pork ham. I want maybe cow ham, chicken ham, but not deer ham. We don't eat deer ham because the deer is Bambi. Why are we gonna eat deer ham? Oh my god. My gifts are money. To be honest, I just want the gift of all of your love. I don't need the money. Do you want me to send you money? Gusto ko lang pagmamahal nyo. Oh. Ma-currency po yan ng UAE. Oh my God, ano yung currency ngayon ng UNE? Like, ano ang current nila? Like, mataas ba yung mga alon sa UAE ngayon? Oh my God, ano nangyayari ba? Kung ano-ano ang currency ng UAE ngayon? Like, high tide ba dyan? Or low tide? Talaga ba? Love lang? Oo naman, love lang. Pero kayo, kung magbibigay kayo ng tip na 1K, 1K, 100, 500, 2,000, 3,000, sure. Pa-translate po, Doc Gising. Gising na po siya in English. Okay, in English, Doctor, doctor, wake up. The patient's awake now. Parang ako yung mali. A. Arabu. Arabu. Ano yung Arabu? Bisaya kamandang. Tumatanggap ka ba ng piso, ma? Yes, I will. If you give me 1 peso, I will give it. I will take it with all my heart and with all my soul. Because without 1 peso, you will not have 1 million. If you're missing 1 peso, that will be not 1 million. That will not be 1 million. Okay, so every peso counts. All of you, please give me 1 peso. If all of my followers give me 1 peso, I can buy luxury stuff. If everyone's watching here and they give me 1 peso, I get 115, 112, 113. So every second you give me 1 peso. Mag-aral ka ng Bisayang words sa imong tanan. Anong tawag mo doon? Bisaya words. Alas sais. Pa-follow up na nung yellow ko. Follow the eyes. Call the operator. Tell them where's the eyes. Make it run here. Ma, carry mo mag-module tas hindi tsikahan? Yung module mo. Hindi ko gets yung tanong. Room number. Alam nila yan. Ang room number ko is Hello, just want to let you know that you amazed us during dates. When you were roaming around and collecting tips, you stopped midway when you saw a queen performing. Wow, that's so amazing. Just want to say, I really respect the queens performing on stage. So every time I'm collecting all your money and then someone's on the stage, on, on or in, on the stage, I immediately stop myself because I pay respect to the people performing. I don't want to get any attention. Mm, bagagwa. Ayoko sabihin yan. Ayoko magsabi ng mga ganyang words. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Kapag masama yan, ibablock na kita. Kanina ka pa. Can you sing for us? Sure. Ma, paano kung bakla ka pero ang presidente mo si Manny Pacquiao? It will never happen. Cha! Masaya ka bang tinatarantado kami? Hindi. Love your teeth. Bastos! Bastos mo, nakaroob na nga ako. Ay, nako. Translate mo, che, yung verse ng Boog. Okay. Ah, wait lang. Somebody's ordering the ice. 1 glass of ice. That's all. Thank you. Ah. Okay. So, are you ready for the Boog English translation? Okay. Bring out the glasses. Go get some ice. My buzz for today is that I will win the prize. Every time I'm seen, all the people scream, "What, Arizona? One more shot!" Ah, kala nyo, no? Ganon. Naka-translate talaga. I already translated that. I already did that version in New York. Ah! Maganda ang iyong runway. Ito'y aking nagustuhan. Ang iyong kita ay nagbibigay. Ikaw ay aking inuugaw. Kala nyo pa joke-joke lang ako, but I'm very proficient in English. English? I'm very proficient in English. My proficient in English is Ma'am Mirna Santos. That's my proficient in English. Hindi pa ako nakaka-makeup yung eyes. Alas 6 kami susundo. Wala pa akong damit. Nakaka-ready na nga lang din ng damit. Hindi yung matagal ka rin mag-prepare dyan. Not that you prepare the so long. Ito bang you bring that out, the one, the blue and the maong. Also bring out the black pants and the black shirt. And charge my microphone inside my bag. Ay, see you sa meet and greet. Ay, may mga naka-meet and greet for tomorrow. See you. Bago ako i-greet, kailangan may hawak na bumili na ng shirt ko, ah. Pag hindi bumili ng shirt, di ko papansinin. And bring back my girls.
Where's your... Anong charger nung Type-C?
Type-C, charge it. Charge it, my dear. Now prance, my queen. Oy guys, oh my god, I'm uploading something after this at 6 p.m. I'll be uploading my promo look, mas maraming shots, and oh my god, pasabog, kasi kahit ako naiiyak. And then I'll be selling that, I may be selling that tomorrow, hindi tayo sure. Hindi tayo sure kung mapiprint dito sa Cebu. My favorite Meet the Queen look is Zimbading. Favorite Meet the Queen look is Zimbading, Udipota, and Versex. And Maxi. Nasa season 3. Favorite non-Pinoy Slation queen. My favorite non-Pinoy Slation queen is Arizona Park Brandy. Arizona Park Brandy Hay. Anong maayo? Ano, aayo kami? Bakit kami aayo? Ba't kami ahayo? Ano pa mga tanong nyo? Akala nyo may matino akong sagot? Oh, Carlo and Ace are watching. Carlo from the land of the sun, the moon, and the sea. Sun, moon, sea. Sino pinaka-close mo sa Slation Royale? In English, who did you close your door to Slation Royale? I close my door to everyone every night. Before I say goodnight, I close my doors to all of them. Kamag-anak niya si Rizal Park. Ito na nga, gusto niyo ba ng English and Tagalog na pick-up line? Do you want that? One English and one... I'll do the Tagalog pick-up line first and then I'll do it in English. Do you want? Good afternoon. Kasi yun. Opo, ate. Okay. Press 1 if you're ready. Pindutin ang unang numero kung kayo ay handa. Tanya, ikaw magdadala ng bag ko. Press 1. Oh, wag na sisilip. Sisilip pa. Oh, ayan ka na. Hello. Press 1. Okay, are you ready? Okay.